guys, good morning everybody. It's Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday everybody. I hope you all are having a wonderful week. Here it's getting chilly. I guess it's getting chilly everywhere in the world, so yeah, well, except in Jamaica. So baby's, I think she's getting better. She wasn't yeah, she's getting better. Tyler is getting better too, so hopefully they're gonna do a lot of things today. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy today's vlog. So yeah, keep up watching, and I'll see you guys when I come back from work.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can hear, I am slowly getting back to my old self, and that is awesome. I'm slowly kicking this cold away, okay? It's, yes baby, I'm coming. No, I'm not leaving you. I'm just here. Tyler is home today again because I decided to keep him home. I'm just here. Can I say morning, Faze? I just came to make us some breakfast. You want breakfast? Okay, well, more like a second breakfast because he woke up early this morning and asked for cereal, so he had cereal and I had a little bit. I just came and make some breakfast for, yeah, I'm coming, go back in the bed, I'm coming. So I just came and make, I'm coming, I'm just behind you. So I came and made breakfast for him. He wants his toast, and I made plantain and eggs for myself as usual. So we are going to eat and then take a little nap and then get on with our day. From there, he's home today because he's still whiny and fussy when his nose is bothering him. Yeah! Hear him calling me, he's such a big baby. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna attend to him right now because obviously he needs me. So we're gonna eat, and hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just have fun doing it. Make the best of your day. Try to squeeze in every little thing that you want to get done within your day today, and stay away from negative people. Surround yourself with positive vibes. Surround yourself with laughter and happiness and a smile a day. Keep the enemy away. Anyway, you guys, love y'all, and I'll catch you guys after breakfast. So you guys, I'm here putting some laundry on the line, as you guys can see, and Tyler always wanted to help me, so I started teaching him how to pin his socks. So he's pretty excited. He said he wants to show Faves how he's pin his socks. Okay. Yeah! Mama, good job, baby. He's so excited. Alright, find more socks and pin them, okay? Look at these that he put. He's so cute. Oh my god. And he put this one. And he put this one. So cute. Go, Ty. Good job. Gonna put another one? Okay, where are you gonna put that one? Okay. Okay, but you need to pin it by the end of it, okay? By the tip. Okay, go ahead. Take the socks. Put it. Uh-huh. Yeah! Bravo, my baby. You're excited. You know what I love about him is that he loves to learn, and he loves to help, and he gets so excited when he gets it correct. I bet now every time he sees us doing laundry, he's going to want to pin all of his socks. Teach your child when they are young. I remember when I was growing up with my grandparents and and a bowl of chicken soup to get me right for lunch, and this boy won't let me be great. Get down. Move. Go play with your shadow. Go on. He loves to play with his shadow in the sun over there. Go play with your shadow. Go. You go show Faves? Yeah. Alright, go show Faves. Oh, shit. You finished? You finished showing for him? He's gonna fall, you see. Hi guys. So basically this is the next day. I didn't get to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm coming on to finish up the vlog today. I went to work this morning. I had a long morning at work. Got back home and took a nap, and now it's almost time to go and get Tyler from school. So I'm going to get me something to eat before I go and pick him up. So I'm making some cordon bleu. I woke up and I made gnocchi this morning before I went off to work, and I took it with me, but I didn't eat it. So I'm gonna eat it now with some cordon bleu for lunch. For lunch slash late lunch, dinner, whatever you wanna call it. But anyway, you guys, I am doing a lot better, and so is Tyler because he's at school. So we are going to go and get my little nugget from school. Hopefully you guys are doing well.
Petit sportif. Ça a été ma chérie. Hey yo! Hey, look at your nose. Look at your nose. How was your day? You had a good day? What you eating? What is that? Cheese and bread? It's yummy. All right, let's go. Where is your hat? And your gloves? It's in your bag? Wait. Bonjour. You don't need what? Say hello, Fibs. Say hi, Fibs. Come here. Say hi, Fibs. Put on your hat. It's cool. Look at him eating cheese and bread. Hold it. It's gonna fall. Hold it. This is gonna fall. Oh, sweet boy. Eating cheese and bread. You love cheese and bread? Huh? Yes.
My Christmas tree.
You did a Christmas tree at school? Yeah. It was pretty. You decorated with your friends? What? Really? You had fun doing it? Yeah. Look at him with his cheese and bread. Eat up your cheese and bread. Papa let you wear your green shoes this morning? Yeah?
Mama?
Come out the way, let the doggy pass, look. Oh, there's another one. You see the doggy? Yeah?
Mama?
Yes. Come on.
Tu sais, quelqu'un a fait tomber la part.
What happened?
Quelqu'un a fait tomber la part.
Okay.
C'est quelqu'un.
I tell him that we are wearing matching hats today, so he's excited about us wearing matching hats.
Parle anglais. Anglais. Speak French. Speak English.
You know the you know
Someone fall on the ground?
No, someone find the
Someone bird fall on the ground?
yeah.
What? And he took it up and throw it in the bin? He cry?
Yeah.
Oh no, you give him a piece of yours? You should have given him a piece of yours. Anyway, guys, I pick up my nugget from school and we're heading home in our matching hats. It's cold today.
Mama.
Yes, baby. This is sawfish and bean and rice. Hungry? You want candy. What is that? Go and throw that in the bin. It's broken. Throw it in the bin. You guys, look who is home. I'm still in my hat. Babe asked me if I'm cool or I'm a Rasta.
Oh, Rasta style.
Where did you put it? Hey, faves.
Hi guys.
We are coming on to end today's vlog, but I'm gonna end the vlog differently today without the expressions and the shout out. Reason being is that earlier today I got a really shocking message in the vlog before this one, which was yesterday's vlog. A person who watches our vlog very often, every day, her daughter reaches out to me and told me that she passed away, and I was so surprised by the message. So I just want to send a lot of love and condolences to Sandra's family and Sandra's daughter, who reached out to us and told us that Sandra passed away. I know it's not easy losing somebody close to you, because you guys knew that I went through that earlier this year, and trust me, I'm not gonna tell you don't cry. Cry as much as you want, let it all out, grieve the way you find best and what works for you. We're just sending you so much love, right, babe?
Sending love to you.
So yeah, that's how we're gonna end the vlog today. And listen, man, if you guys have somebody close to you that you need to give a hug, give that person a hug, whatever it is that you need to do, because life is like this, very much short. And I'm not going to continue talking, because if I do, then I'm gonna start crying. And I do want to start crying. So condolences to Sandra family, and show Sandra daughter love down below in the comment section. Her name is also written Sandra. I don't remember what's the surname, but I'm sure you guys will see her down in the comment section. Love you guys. Thanks for all the support and all the love. And it's kind of hard losing a fave, because you guys have become like family to me. I've become so attached to you guys through especially comments. You guys, I know every single one of you, because I take the time and I reply to every single comment. So I know who comes every day. I know who display picture, look how somebody changed their display picture. I realize it, trust me. I know every single one of you guys. Anyway, you guys, love you guys, and Sandra's fam, stay strong. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Catch man, keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.